eggs. They're financing eggs now? Last night, an offer landed on my family's table. 4 easy payments, they promised. Nobody warns you what happens when that button lands. They'll finance anything now. People are putting DoorDash pad thai on 4 payment plans. Dinner's gone before the first payment lands. It got worse on my own doorstep. Same button. A designer shoebox, crushed the same way. This one had my wife's name on it. Look at her, happy. The app even threw her confetti. That's the trick. It feels like winning. She didn't sign a loan. She caught a deal. That box was the final straw. The machine had gotten past my gates, to my family. No more Mr. Nice Guy. Some men would have yelled. Some would have called the bank. In this family, we do things differently. I took out the playbook. Time to go over the basics again. Rule 1. Never borrow for what you eat, wear, or wear out. Only borrow for what pays the interest, then pays you, multiples over, even when everything goes wrong. This van earns me $500 a week in delivery fees, $2,000 a month coming in. Its payment is $1,000 a month going out, $2,000 in, $1,000 out. Double what it costs every single month. And on its worst day, it's still a van. I sell it or I rent it to the next man for a fee. The eggs couldn't say that. That's the only kind of debt that gets through my gate. So I made my decision, with my family beside me. Our story ends differently. An empire of savings, assets, and land, built to outlast me. And that morning, the machine met its first problem. A father with a plan. They call me the Dadfather. They built the machine to bleed families like yours. I built this channel and this wall to beat it. Now we build yours. Every episode, one trap, one rule, one brick. Welcome to the family. One payment is nothing, but the machine doesn't care about any one payment. It cares about stacking so many payments on top of each other that you'd never dream of taking time off to enjoy your family, or following your inspiration to build the family garden so you can grow some clean food. Your next 6 months are already booked. Working your way out of the hole you just dug yourself into. You didn't buy a thing. You booked a shift. And the machine sets the schedule. All for what? So the invisible man can tell you you have a good credit score. Maybe, if you behave yourself, we'll let you press another green button for that thing you were thinking of buying. An anonymous thumbs up. What a good, obedient little slave you are. Say a family runs just 5 of these in a single month. Groceries, sneakers, a couch cushion, date night, school supplies. Each one small, each one painless. Not on assets, on things already eaten, already worn, already forgotten. Run that all year, and the machine quietly took the better part of your paycheck and left you nothing you still own. The machine takes your money and gives you nothing. The wall takes your money and gives you options. See it plainly. You've seen the trap. You've seen the math. You know the rule. Now you lay the brick. The first one answers the trap head on. The grocery wall. 30 days of food and essentials paid for in advance before the month begins. The machine can't loan you what you already own. Underneath it, the firewall. 1 month of expenses. Liquid. Untouchable. The car, the stitches, the water heater. They hit the brick, not the green button. Most families never lay the first one. They're too busy paying the machine. I looked out past my gate that evening. Good families, locked in cages they can't even see. One paycheck, or one emergency, away from losing it all. I couldn't lay their bricks for them. Before my lawyer has a heart attack. I'm made of paper. This is entertainment, not financial advice. Your numbers deserve a professional with a pulse. Now, where were we? You're not the customer. You're the product. unless you build the wall. Every dollar you don't give them is a dollar that stays in your bloodline. Your children don't inherit your Klarna balance. They inherit your assets, your rules, your wall. Build the dynasty. One trap, one rule, one brick. That night, the family business was in order. But a father's work is never done. Because the next trap wasn't at my gate. It was at my dinner table. No alarm went off. No window broke. It just pulled up a chair and sat at our table. Sometimes it even finds a way into our bedroom, stealing time, draining energy, hijacking focus, sucking the connection and soul right out of our family. And for this one, I haven't set the brick yet.